So this is important. The first thing I want to say is that they're extremely light. You pop them in, you put them in your ear, and you forget about them. Unless you drop one. If you drop one, it stops working until you pick it up. All right, so you ain't got to worry about losing it. Also, I've been working out for 30 minutes here and 30 minutes on a different machine, and they stay in your ear. They are extremely well designed. For 2 hours of watching movies and listening to music. The headphones are at 80%. Working out at Planet Fitness, I like Planet Fitness. They're so comfy too. This plastic here, it's not your average cheap plastic. If you're working out and you're sweating and stuff, it stays put. I am not going to waste your time. This is a quick video for AirPods 2 non-wireless, okay? Basically, I'm going to show you how to use this, how to set this up, all the features fast, okay? No games here. No intros, long intros and all that. All right, let's get into it. First off, pop your AirPod open, just like this. Hold it up close to whatever you want to connect it to. Simple. Click connect. Now, in some cases, you want to hold down the button in the back. You'll see this little button. Hold it down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 6. Boom, you're connected. Not now. So it's simple. To control your AirPods, you simply say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, read my messages. Hey Siri, play music." Okay? Or you can tap, 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 double tap to move forward, double tap to move back, double tap to pause. And this is how you set that up. It's simple. Let's go. Click General, click Bluetooth, and then press right here, this little button right here. Yep. And now you can set up your taps. You can tap to pause. You can tap to move forward. I like the pause feature. You can pause it by tapping. But also, now I'm going to show you how to set up your Siri, okay? This is so neat and so cool. You don't have to, but this is nice to have. Let's say somebody calls you. You say, "Siri, hey Siri, pick up. Hey Siri, call my mom. Hey Siri, read my messages. Hey Siri, what's the weather?" Awesome feature. Hey Siri, volume up. So cool.
Yeah, Bubba, let's go.
This is so easy. Take your AirPods, hold them next to your Apple product, and boom, you're connected, right? Easy. You can check your battery life. You know this. But what I really want to show you is how to connect your AirPods to your iPad, iPod, MacBook Pro, and MacBook Air. It's really easy to do. Okay, take your AirPods here. Hold them next to your MacBook Air, just like you do your iPhone. Hold them right there. Now go here to Bluetooth. Click here, pops right up there. It's right there. All you got to do is click connect. All right. So I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your MacBook Pro. All right, so you simply pop your AirPods open. You'll have this notification pop up. You click connect. Yay, and then you'll see it right here. You're connected. You have a really old MacBook or it's not working for some reason on your MacBook, all you got to do is push this button right here. Pop this open and push that button until that light turns white. All right, and then you'll see it here. You connect. Here are some options you can connect, and you can set it up right here. Basic setup here for your computer. All right, so just cruising down this beautiful street. We got a bunch of flooding going on around here. And look what I noticed. I see a little tiny turtle. Hi. Where you going, guy? Don't worry. I won't harm you. I won't harm you. So basically you double tap to play or pause, or double tap forward or back. Otherwise you use Siri. You say, Siri, hey Siri, play music. Hey Siri, do whatever you want it to do, okay? To charge it, you just put them right back in the case. Okay, so easy to use. I love them, and they're so reliable. 5 hours of talking, music playing, and I took him to the gym. I take him out for walks, gym. Oh, wait, if you drop one, if you ever drop one, boom, it shuts off. Okay, and they don't fall out of my ear. They're fine. They are perfect. Okay, so don't worry about them falling off. Don't worry about losing them. They're so comfortable. You don't have to carry a wire and dropping it in the gym all the time. They're so comfortable in your ear. And plus, if you ever lose one of these things or you misplace them, whatever, you can always use Find My iPhone app. It works so
Come on.
Hope.
Yeah.